In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your forms set up for your website. So what I'm going to do is go over to where it says Email Pro, and I'm going to go to where it says Forms. I'm going to click on that. Now, once I click on that, I'm going to go ahead to where it says Add a New Form. Now, what I want to do, being that I have all of this set up already, is I'm going to provide a code for you. So what I want you to do is simply delete. I want you to delete everything that's in this box on the left-hand side. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and paste in a new code that I'm going to provide for you. And we're simply going to paste that code in there. And we're going to go up to where it says Preview right here. And we're going to click on the circle just to refresh it. Then we're going to scroll down a little bit to where it says Custom Style under Form Style. So we're going to select Custom Style. And then we're going to scroll up. And as you can see, the form is complete. What I'm going to do is go down to where it says Custom Style. And as I'm looking in the code here, I want to change the color of this button where it says Get Your Offer Today. I want to change that from black to orange, and you can make it whatever color you want. In order to find out what colors are available, well, pretty much every color is available, but go to Google and type in hex code and find the color that you want. So if you want green, type in green hex code. Okay, if you want orange, type in orange hex code. If you want red, type in red hex code. For me, I'm going to go ahead and type in a color that I personally like, which is orange. And what I'm looking for is background color right here. And you can see the 333 next to it. I'm just going to type in CC8800, which is orange. And I'm going to click outside of the box. I'm going to scroll up, make sure it changed. I'm going to click Preview. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, the color actually changed. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit and click on Save. One thing that I forgot to do is actually name the form. So the page wouldn't allow me to save until I name the form. So I'm just going to name it Seller Form or Seller Landing Page Form. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'm going to click on Save. And as you can see, the form is now saved. The next thing I want to do is decide on what list I want these leads to go to. So in another video, in a previous video, I showed you how to set your lists up. So what we're going to do now is scroll down a little bit to where it says Sign Up Process. I'm going to X out of this Your First List category, and I'm just going to click inside the box, and I'm going to go ahead and select Seller List, and I'm going to leave all of these on No. Now you can customize these any way that you want. So if you want to send a confirmation email, you can set up your confirmation email, and I'll show you how to do that in another video, and click on Yes here. If you want your sellers to do a double opt-in, which basically means once they enter their information into the form, they have to verify their information through email, you can click Yes here. I usually leave this on No. And if you want to redirect to a separate page, you can set up a separate page and click Yes here, and your visitor will be redirected to another page. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and leave all of this on No. But in case you wanted to redirect them, all you got to do is click on Yes and then add the URL in this box here. Okay, I'm going to leave it on No, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. Now, the final thing that you have to do is set up your confirmation message. Now, personally, the only thing that you have to do is set up your success message. Make it say whatever you want the motivated seller or buyer, in this case, it'll be the seller, to see once they fill out the form. So I'm just going to say, thank you. You have submitted your property details. We will be in touch shortly. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Now I can go ahead and click on back to forms list up at the top. And now, as you can see, I have my short code ready to place on my website. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video.